I noticed there's a bit of delay, a bit of lag. Does that have to do with the carrier? Because a small device running all of that, and the processor inside here might not be all the best, but yeah. What about if I was way in the bush with minimal amount of signal? How would that work out?
As I said, we'll still have footage, but you'll just be buffered.
Okay, so in addition to the live stream, you have an SD card or a component that you'll store locally on the device, or it has main memory?
It has an internal storage.
Okay.
As soon as it's back,
Okay.
that information is up.
So the streaming is just a plus. Alright. Anything else? So it's also GPS tagged as well, so
Yes.
alright, nice. This is nice. I like this. Come on, you must have something else you're gonna tell me, man. You must have something. That's it. So that's the camera. And what does it replace? Because I know there was a set before that you were testing.
So it was the Axion 2.
What's that? What's on the question?
The camera that this is replacing, or the camera system.
Why is it replaced? Over time we use different technologies, so depending on our use case at the time,
Yes.
it dictates what type of technology we use. So this, what we have here is just some demo of some of the technology. We have a wide range of.
Oh, so this is complementary to what you have already.
Right.
Okay.
So different use case determine. So we use resources based on the mission. Right.
That would be the expectation. And you are?
I am DSP Basco.
DSP Basco. And Mr. Thomas. Thank you. Very, very, very professional. Thank you so much.